Thank you. Once again, I believe that you are in good health. And today, I just want to share with you how to do calculations in JavaScript using simple operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So, being that I always believe in realia and I always like to teach people on how to do things in real life, so let me just move to my coding and you can see my script, and then let me start with addition. With that, I'll declare a variable x and then assign it to a value like 100. The second one, I'll also declare variable y and then assign it to a value 200. Then the third one, I'll also declare another value as value z, and z can be my sum now, being that I want to get so let me just substitute this one as first value, this one as second value, and then this one as my sum. So when I do that, first I can write them literally like 100 plus 200, and then I get my answer as 300, which I believe will be produced. So let me try that. Yes, this one has been produced as that. So I can see that the sum is let me paste that and see that the sum is, then it produces that. Maybe you can check, the sum is that. And secondly, the sum of, we can just say that the sum of 100 and 200 is maybe that one is now giving the correct output. The sum of 100 and 200 is 300. So that is how we do calculations in addition in JavaScript. The second one, we can also do subtraction with the same values. Let me just copy paste this and put it there. I can now put this one as 500 minus 200. Then I say that the difference then I say that the subtraction of 500 of 200 from 500, that is a bit English, a bit of grammar. The subtraction of 200 from 500 is, then I copy paste this, I copy paste that, then let me separate, let me break this one, let me break addition and subtraction, let me break addition and subtraction. So if we do that, the subtraction of 200 from 500 is 300, and it is very true. And if you can move a bit of it, the same values, we can do division. First value is 100, second value, let us put it as 20. The division is equals to 100 divided by, we use that, divided by 20. Then we produce the remaining, the division of 120 is, then I print the division from that. Maybe let me check, it's 5, so it's only that I haven't break that from the difference. That is why they are in the same line. Now I think each and every one will be on this on their own line. Then we also have multiplication, and just using the same values. First value as 100, second value as 200. Then I use the asterisks and 200. Then we can see that the product of 100 and 200 is as let me print the product now. So if I put it there and save it, again we can view it. The product of 100 and 200 is 20,000, which is also very true. The last one, which I also want to share with you, is the modulus. With the same values. Let me put it first of all as that first. Then we use modulus. We use the percentage sign. Modulus of 100 from this. The modulus of 100, let me put it 1000, and 205, so that we can see the remainder. The modulus give us the remainder of what is there. So if we can put it there, modulus, put it there, and then we print modulus, it will give us the remainder of that. The remainder is 100. Maybe you can do your own calculations and check. So that is that. But again, before I finish, we can assign values as these ones, but we can also use the data types names to do calculations. For example, let us just take this one for addition. Using variable names, using variable names. We can, let me put it here, and then you can see addition in JavaScript.